Best Bird Bath Fountains in 2020. Number 1. Solar Fountain Pump. Solar-powered bird bath fountain pump 1.4W solar panel kit water pump. Solar-powered fountains, solar bird bath pump operates in direct sunlight. It is controlled with solar power completely. It does not need battery or electricity. It is an eco-friendly solar pump and saves money. Different water style. There are 4 different types of nozzle heads attached with the pump itself. Number 2. Solatec Solar Fountain, Black. Eco-friendly, it is an extremely competent solar panel. It is controlled with solar power completely. It does not need battery or electricity. It is an eco-friendly solar pump and saves money. Sprayer for different water style. There are 4 different types of nozzle heads attached with the pump itself. It helps to change the height of water in different water patterns. Number 3. Viajero latest upgrade 2.5W solar fountain pump for bird bath with 800 mAh battery backup, freestanding portable floating solar-powered water fountain pump for garden, backyard, pond, pool, outdoor. Powerful panels and battery? This solar fountain features a powerful 2.5W solar panel and long-lasting 800 mAh battery. Working together they provide continuous power and ensure stability. Number 4. Solar Fountain Water Pump for Bird Bath, new upgraded mini solar-powered fountain pump 1.5W solar panel kit water pump, with 4 different spray pattern heads, for pond, pool, garden, fish tank, aquarium. Eco-friendly, no battery or electricity required, runs automatically in threes when sunlight is sufficient. Please kindly put it under full sunlight for working best. Number 5. Best Choice Products Outdoor Rustic Pedestal Bird Bath Accent for Garden, Yard with Fleur-de-Lis Accents Green. Weather-resistant, durable resin construction is frost and weather-resistant to keep your yard or garden full of songbirds all year long. Fillable design, fill the hollow space in the pedestal column with sand or water to weigh down your bird bath and keep it upright for all your feathered guests. Elegance and style, decorate your lawn or garden. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.